Assalamualaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool again. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is workers and their tools. Let's see today's topic properly. Our today's topic is workers and their tools. And this is lecture number 5 and I will give you some SW. Our SW number will be 5. And this is your science book. When you watching this class, you can open your science book. And our today's topic is here. This is chapter 23 and page number 53. And before starting this class, I want to show you some tools. Today I will introduce to you some workers and their tools. Here is some tools you can see. This is hammer. This is hammer. This is screwdriver. And this is tester. These all tools use a carpenter. And I will show some another tools. You can see here is a scissor and here is a measuring tape. You can see properly, this is measuring tape and this is thread and this is needle. And remember that if you have this tool in your home, please don't play with this because these all are very dangerous because this is all are sharp things. You may hurt with this. Okay, I am showing you for your better learning. And I have another tools here. You can see here is a painting brush. A painter paint with this brush and here is a art tray. They mix their colors here and they paint. They make painting, beautiful painting for us. Okay, so let's start today's class. So this is chapter 23. You can see here is a picture. Her name is Toya. Toya is a gardener. She plants flowers and watches them grow. And she using here some tools. Here is spade, here is shears, watering can and this is rake. And after that you can see here is another picture. His name is Jimmy. Jimmy is a tailor. He cuts cloth and stitches cloths. You can see here he is using sewing machine and he is making some cloths. And here is a scissor, here is some needles, measuring taps and thread. And after that here is another picture. Her name is Zarin. Zarin is a carpenter. She makes chairs and tables from wood. And last here is another picture. He is a painter. His name is Jarif. Jarif is an artist. He paints beautiful picture for us. You can see he is using some tools. Here is a paintbrush. Here is a some paints and here is a coloring plate. So dear student, you can see here is some another picture and here is some tools. Let's recognize these tools, and as you see, he is a tailor. His tools is here. Look at this picture. Here is thread, here is some pin, measuring tape. These all are tailoring tools. And this is a carpenter, and his tool is here. All of these are called carpenter tools. So these all are carpenter tools, and this is tailor tools. And look at this picture. He is watering her plants. He is a gardener. So where is the gardener tools? You can see here are so many gardening tools here. So these all are gardening tools. And you can see here is another picture. He is a painter. He is making painting, beautiful painting. So dear student, now we will do some exercise from this chapter. Our first exercise is fill in the blanks. And here is only one fill in the blanks. Here is a dash cuts and stitches clothes. Who cuts and teaches clothes? Think about that. Yes, tailor. He is a tailor. So we will write here tailor. Tailor spelling T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Now we will do some true and false. Our first true false is a tailor plants flower. A tailor plants flowers? No, a gardener plants flowers. So this statement is false. So you have to write here if, only if. In your exam, you will write only if. That means false. Next one, 2 number, an artist paints with brush. Yes, this statement is true. An artist paints with brush. So we will write here T. That means true. This statement is true. Now 3 number, a carpenter makes chairs and tables from wood. Yes, this statement is also true. So we will write here T again. So we will write here T. That means this statement is true. Now dear student, we will discuss about some question and answer. Here is the 2 question and answer. First question is write the name of 2 gardening tools. Answer is 2 gardening tools are spade and watering can. And now second one. Second question is what does an artist do? The answer is an artist paints picture. An artist paints pictures. So dear student, now you have to do some SW. Your SW will be, this is your 5 number SW. When you will do your SW, you have to write 5 number in top of your copy. Remember that. And your SW will be these questions and answer. Questions and answers. So here is the 2 questions and 2 answers. Look at this here. 1 number and 2 number. So you have to write these questions and answer as your SW. And repeat your SW. This is 5 number SW. You have to write your SW number in your copy, and this is questions and answers. Dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy. And you have to submit your SW on every Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm. And your guardian or anyone can submit your SW. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.